Good morning and welcome back to your morning news leader, News Channel 8 this morning. It's now 15 minutes until 7 and it's October 1st, the fourth quarter of 2009, and there are some things you need to know with the market continuing to rebound.
Compass Financial's Kurt Pearson joins us now to talk about that and much more. Kurt, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we know that the financial markets have been rebounding, so it's important right now at this point to start making changes, examining your portfolio, making changements perhaps to your investment mix.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we just celebrated the one-year anniversary of the worst day in the stock market. That happened a year ago, and as you may remember, it seems like a distant memory now. But there was a lot of fear, a lot of panic, a lot of uncertainty. Things were unstable. Well, if we would have said, hey, 1 year later, here's where we're at, everyone would have said, oh, wow, that's great. Well, now's the time not to become complacent, though, or apathetic. You know, you need to be looking at those portfolios, doing some rebalancing, doing some adjusting as you go along. Because if we don't do that, you can actually create a larger sense of volatility in your portfolio as the markets continue to move. So very important to take a look at that, make sure that your returns are keeping pace with where the financial markets are at in general.
And as far as taxes go, should people be starting to get that tax advice now? Should they wait till the end of the year? Should they wait till March as they push up toward that April deadline?
Well, as you guys have been reporting, as the year unfolds, a lot of changes in people's lives. So many of us have been without work. We've had to take some unemployment checks. There have been a lot of changes in households. Anytime there are changes like that, it's very important to check in with your tax professional prior to year end. There may be some techniques, some strategies they can implement between now and December 31st that could dramatically impact their tax liability to the better. So really encourage, even if you had to use money from a retirement account to pay your bills or do those sorts of things, those types of life events, check in with your tax professional.
What about interest rates? Most people think that they're going to increase by 2010. In 2010, how does that affect us now?
Well, debt management is also very important in a financial plan, to take a look at what interest rates you are paying, how much you have out there on credit cards and other installment loans, and just to manage that very aggressively. In a period of low interest rates, you can shop around, find the best deal. As interest rates begin to rise, perhaps in 2010, very important for all of us to take a look at that debt management and stay on top of it.
Kurt Pearson, thank you very much. If people want more information, how do they reach you?
Our local number is 327-1020.
Kurt, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it. Always great information.